Good evening, everybody. Love you all. God bless you all. Love you, love you, love you all. I so much appreciate every one of us for coming around. The reason why I'm really out is not how far, is how well. For those that are living here in Europe and yeah, also in America or so, let me put it like that, in diaspora anyway, please, if you know, say you not get documents, I dey beg you. If you know, say you not get documents, my dear people, my beloved one, is not how far, is how well. I did Europe for 20 years. After 20 years, they deport you. I did Europe for 5 years. After 5 years, they deport you. I did Europe for 7 years. After 7 years, they deport you. It's not how far, it's how well. It's not how far, it's how well. Let those that want to mock you, mock you. Do what it takes for you to do right now to get anything where you want to get. If you be that person, wait, I first talk on that, do not say I dey joke. Do not say I dey joke. If you know, say you never get document, you dey Europe. You know, say you never get document. Forget money. Money go come later. If you get paper just now, you feel work for 1 year. That your 1 year contract, they go give you loan. You know, say this land where we dey na loan. Now loan with the loan every year now, and I'm so happy and glad for that. I'm so happy. Say with their country where they feel give you loan when you are how will I put it? If you are qualified for the loan, I dey beg all of you now. If you know say you dey Europe, you never get document, I know if you can't laugh you. Concentrate and work towards it. Work to how will you work to easy? We wait got paper to the talk out. We wait don't get paper easy to the talk say concentrate and work towards it. Concentrate and work towards it. And make una tell us how we take work towards it. Viens ici. Assis-toi ici, s'il te plaît, je vais parler avec toi. Come dichtbij, ik wil zo graag met jou praten. Come closer, I would like to talk to you today. Come closer. Wajoko sibe. Wajoko sibe. Malo sorrow. Just come, let us talk together. Please, it's easy. It's easy as I said before. If you know say you are just coming, you not get documents. It's illegal. Don't be pulling crowd that does not worth it. Don't be doing things that does not worth it. Things like what? Egbalama. Respect those that is above you. Anybody that is always at the front knows what it takes. Respect those at the front. Respecting them does not mean that you have to be licking their anus. Respecting them does not mean that you have to be licking their cakas. No. Whenever you see that people are just doing things that are not relevant, just deviate from there. It's not called for. A lot of old women in social media today, 50 years, 50 something, they will be calling small children. Call daddy, laveze, call mom. And all these people will be answering them when you are receiving insults. And at the end of the day, you said you are the one that know the culture and tradition. Call mommy, call daddy does not warrant that worry or respect, you know. Yes, it's a respect, but in a way. How are you doing it? I know say this thing, if you piss una off. When you have already lost your respect, you have lost your dignity, you have lost your pride. As a mature woman of your caliber, of your status, because the person get document, because the person get money, because the person get influence, because the person dey popular, because the person is well known, and you not dey well known, and you want me to classify both of you, and you senior the person age far, you come dey call her mommy, daddy, laveze, mommy, and you know that this person, no, stop it. You are lost in your own pride. You are lost in it. Even if the person they call you mommy or daddy, for you calling her that name mommy, no. I know why I'm saying this. Don't lose your pride and dignity. Giovio Hanitie we monu the way oh my darling call. Oh my beautiful angel call. My sweetheart. You know, not you. 50 years calling somebody that is 30, 32, 35. Mommy, 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 mommy. It's not something that is bad, but sometimes you are using it to degrade yourself. To below yourself. And immediately you don't below yourself for the natural surface. In the spiritual surface, it's not nice anymore. It's not how far, it's how well. How are you going to acquire this document? First, you need the self-respect. You need that your dignity, that your pride, you need it around you. You need that your dignity and pride around you. Let it be, let people see the qualities in you. Carry yourself the way you want people to carry you. Then, you can't begin to attracted to the atmosphere. You can't begin to attracted to the nature. The nature go just, you can't get attracted to nature. There are a lot of people where be say, now where they not expect, now they are luck for come. Where they not expect, now they are luck for come. There are a lot of people where they get their helper from hospital bed when they day hospital. When they day hospital, somebody just come, maybe in one way or the other, they get a helper, we help them from there. Some people in a supermarket, now they say Oyibo will give them money helper. It must not be Oyibo give you money or something. It can also be a woman. Some people, it could just be normal thing, but when you are not concentrating on things that are not relevant, and you not get paper, you not get anything, you just focus on things that are not relevant, you go use and miss your destiny. I pray you don't miss your destiny. I pray. Concentrate on things that are relevant. Concentrate on where you can learn and collect. Concentrate in where you can really like, oh, I know say this guy talk on, I know they like and bet. If you know say you just come, or you don't dare how many years, you don't get documents. Stay your lane. Do your thing. No carry crowd way to make noise. No carry empty drum, swallow body. Because they will, in short, if you dey me go, at least let the people where you want me go with be people where be say they don't get document, they don't they okay, they are well okay. If God come forbid and you lose us or you lose anything, they can accommodate you. Me go with those that can render you help. And you also go still render the help. Maybe you go fit they watch their children for them. They're not there around or something. Not me go with crowd who not go give you anything good in return. Life is give and take. Life is give and take. It's illegal. If you not get paper, you dey social media, quit it for now. Concentrate. If you not get paper, you dey balama, quit it for now. Concentrate. Paper na Europe is not how far is our way. Paper na Europe. I'm telling you. Greediness is what is making many of us today losing it. Greediness. We Africans, we believe in that mentality of jamming a white man that will come and favor us. Must it be all about white man? It's good. It's a good thing. It's a good wish. Must it be all about white man may come favor us? Why can't you stand up and fight for yourself? Why can't you do something that will make you to be known in that country? Deportation now, not be only Germany, they happen. It they happen for everywhere. Deportation, they happen for everywhere now. See the brother now where he go Nigeria. He travel go Nigeria, which is as at now last 2 years before the corona, yeah. Last 2 years now he travel go Nigeria. Now France, he Paris, France, he travel go Nigeria. He no know. As they come back, they not let her come out. What it happen? Now so he begin, hey, they don't change my face, so now lie, they not change the face. Now he aduro we chop. He aduro we chop. Now cause some of you, they go just tell you story, say, take this story. Yaya aduro. At the end of the day, you not go sit down, me you ask question about that aduro. If anybody give you any story, say Yaya Aduro, ask people question. And if you want to ask question, ask those that have the wisdom Ask those that even if they don't know her, they go ask people for you. Ask those where you know where be say do not go ask them, do you carry your matter content do. Even if the person not see solution give you, he go still pull a call through. Ask, call immigration lawyer, see my sister or my brother, how you go take go about time. I just want you to give me information. This. You know, like that, you go know. Now so this brother we did this where they France. So as at before Christmas, now still call me, Abi. He's there Nigeria. He said na devil, he just small money where he get it, they use and go church to church. Before I come, they ask questions, say, this kind of thing if it happen, person go. Before somebody that don't have that, na person do a mentality. We Africa, we Nigeria, we Benin, anything will happen to us na devil. Our mentality, sometimes I divest for us for that thing, eh? Anything just happen, they go say, so no, if they change the face when you reach airport, oh, na devil. We too, they believe on devil. Africa, person not they die, oh, say na normal death, oh, na which killer. Even if the person na 90 years, na which killer. Even if the person na 20 years, na which killer. We not believe, say, Africa, forget that, we not they believe on that one. I know they use that one, until they talk, say devil, not they, oh, but our 100% focus now always devil. When this man can't tell me or everything, I can't they ask questions. They ask at December now. I see they ask. Say this kind of thing. See, before somebody can't tell me say, now this thing in the work where not be lawyer I be social worker where they handle people case here and all this social worker person I be. So me and I just see the talk say, Wendy, can something like this happen? I don't understand. See. He was like, it can only happen in a case like this, but I don't really. I said, no, the person, this kind of case not happen. Now when I come call and say, how far you take get your document? Before I come they talk and say I take get a document for Paris, for France. Say I take get a document. Say I take, now one of the uncle, na be Nenemi Sherma for Bini. That uncle na share my uncle in name that time they newspaper everything that they bear the same surname. I don't want to mention the name. He and that uncle they bear the same surname. Na Nenemi Sherma, you know, and his surname attacked to uncle. So when you come talk say that man my father. Say so because they na Sherma for so and they are destroying everything, destroying their community. Now Papa give her money make it wrong. As the first son of the family, they give her money make it wrong, enter Europe, make for they save, at least make the family not wipe out. Even as at now they keep he believes that they go don't kill the papa because he not know anything about the father again. They kill the mother because the guy not to get mama again. He can't use that one chop aduro, say they kill the mama, even his sisters, everybody disappear. He no na papa money because na be the first son. Where papa get, he just lay hands on papa money. Now that's okay. How you can't take coin say pay people? Where the visa where you take coin say the people where you pay. Now so they can't collect the visa from her. Now so they can't collect a passport when he reach. He just chop the aduro one way or the other. And they give this guy a card that time first. From there, gradually, after how many years in Europe? After how many years in Europe? He don't get the document. They can't give him document. Not knowing that, the document where they give our brother, you not go fit enter aeroplane, may you come down for Niger Ganga. You not go fit enter aeroplane. The very day when you come down for Nigeria, that Molitala Mohammed Airport, the very day you land, the meaning that you are safe, you are no longer running away from your country. Then immigration go hold, they go put your name for system, stamp you, say, our lost birth fund is already in our country and is safe. Because you thought say you don't want to go back again, you don't want to return because you are on the run. You are the one that tell them that you don't want to return back. You are on the run. That they are looking for you. They have wiped away. And the people really see the newspaper and they investigate country truth and say that kind of name na Sherma for so that state. The people do their investigation, do everything, and they take give you document. The document when they give you, no say you feel go Africa, but I know one come the top because they say now we still they spoil things by ourselves. This guy never knew. He never knew. He just enter aeroplane from Molitala Mohammed by. They let her in. They not talk her. They not do anything. As they slot the paper, scanner. Okay. Now when you want come out, if I come here, they say not go fit come out. Why? You know Nigeria immigration. They say we don't know Mr. Man. Next. He say better. He they rate. I demand don't know. Una know our Nigerian men. Mostly they don't have to. Why will I not come out in? When I was coming in, I cannot come out in again. I want to come out in and come out in. Now they tell us say you are not committing anymore. You are not committing no we are. Stay here, you are in Diala. The boy do everything get contact. Now only you want know what happen, but he no want tell anybody. He keep her within. But if he call some of his friends, you'll they tell them say, now they change my face, oh, I don't know, I don't know that all those one are working, they don't change the eye, oh, they change. My dear people, make una come listen, say, now duro they frustrate many. It's not how far, it's how well. People, how well are you treating your document where you get? How you take get them? If you know say your document are true marriage, you get them. Okay. If you know say na true aduro one way or the other, waiting you talk to take get time or setting it because Europe now they don't divest. The lockdown now not they make their system they flow like before. Many people are not working. That they cut many people they will be get full time. They know they do full time again. Many people they way they do 4 hours. They can't cut and give them 2-3 hours. Many people they way they do 8 hours. They bring everything down. Their system is not floating well. So for that reason, the money where that they get every month from the EU, from this thing, it not they reach them. So they want to do away with a lot. They don't care about where you are coming from. And why do they focus on the Nigerians? They really focus on the Nigerians. Why do they focus on the Nigerians? Because our lie too much. That is why they focus on the Nigerian. Not only our lie, not be we lie pass, our betrayer too much. Our betrayer too much. You go tell your friend how government take they pay you money, how you take they receive money. Immediately na quarrel like this, tanana. Now how to go meet the police, to go meet social media, you tell them, say, all the things will not take the pay and a lie. All the lie where you can't like give you a lie. And for your man, you feel say now that your friend you betray. You betray everybody where they that circle of lying. That is how they declare many people where they'll say they be imbecile, whereas they're normal. Some people they will go use chop aduro say that they crazy. They'll say, well, now you say they crazy or they pack injection give you, whereas you normal. Or they destroy them. That is, in short, we betray ourselves. Person go do good for you. You born picking, you not get paper, you not get document. He do good for you. Write in name, say na him be the papa. You can't let your friends know, say, oh, if the person just offend you, whether na that your friend offend you, or na that man offend you, or the person where you still tell, they will just go donation. Say that man, like that it say they make money. Why did they donation? All these people where see they do now 2 ways they do. You where they tell because say they offend you. Uyata. You where you still do the thing where you know say you not pure. You write your name for person. Paper as your own picking. You wegbe yegbe uga dan yo dare egbe no mueme uga san yo sare tin udo saf ye ke no muwe boy. Anybody that know that is newspaper is not clean. If you know say your newspaper where you carry, you not clean, you go cover and you don't like this, you fall free. If they fight, no fight again. Meanwhile, you pin your own. No fight again. No fight. Eru biagata. En we wari e buwewa. That your newspaper wa mu you talk by West one mu gbina. Another person where can't use that look. No better than where you keep quiet. You're too much. Gane utalog be money e come with fairly way. Omo ye wewu omukpa. That is how the betrayal starts. Because now the first say I'll come say, no, they betray myself again. No, now 3 ways the betrayal they happen. Thank you guys. Thank you. And thank you all. Please like and follow the page, and also share for your friends. Please do share. Please now. Make una they share this video.